Okay guys, let's talk about reclaiming your weekend. If you've got an in-ground pool, you know the drill. Skimming, scrubbing, vacuuming. But what if you could ditch most of that? Today we're looking at the Pondee X5 cordless robot cleaner. This isn't just a pool vac. First off, it's cordless. That means no more tangled messes. It uses smart path planning to efficiently cover your entire pool. We're talking floors, walls, and the waterline. For pools up to a massive 3,200 square feet, it boasts an impressive 180-minute runtime, so it can handle even big jobs on a single charge. Plus, with 4 distinctive cleaning modes, you can tailor it to clean exactly what your pool needs. And get this, when it's done and the battery's low, it has a smart return feature, bringing itself back to the edge of the pool so it's easy for you to retrieve. Look, I've been putting it through its paces. You've been watching it for a little while now. What do you say we go see if it really worked, how it actually cleaned, what it was like to live with, because I've been using it for a couple weeks. So let's go talk to me about that, see how it went. All right, it's been a couple weeks with this Pondee pool cleaner, which I have to say I've been exceptionally impressed with, at least in terms of its operation. But I haven't looked into it yet to see if it actually caught anything in our pool. So let's grab it out of here, see what we find. All right, here it is, fresh out of the pool. I want to know if it works. I'm assuming you want to know if it works. I've seen it drive around the pool. It's so easy to work with. You just simply charge it up, select whether you want auto, floors, or walls. Just one button to press, and it kind of does a phenomenal job. Didn't get stuck, went up my stairs, did the walls, no issues with anything operational wise. What I just don't know is if it actually caught anything in here. Now I do need to tell you, I am here in a cage in Florida, so I don't get a whole pile of leaves and debris and that kind of stuff, but I do get some sand and random leaves and that kind of stuff. So let's see what's actually in here. All right, let's see what we got. Open it up. Oh, I see dog hair. Do you see the dog hair? Hold on a sec. So as I said, I don't get a whole lot of dirt and debris, but look, you can see I got plenty of dog hair from that barking dog. Some general sand and dirt everywhere. It's actually done quite a fine job. Again, you have to remember, I'm in a cage here in Florida, not one of those guys who throws dirt in his pool to make it look dramatic. This is actually working, and working on an effective level for a couple days in the pool that is actually regularly has multiple pool robots running in it. So it's really done quite well. You know what, let me show you how to clean this out and then we'll finish this up. All right, here we are, thankfully in the shade where I wash these things out. This thing is, oh, look at that. I just keep finding more dirt every time I look at it. So anyway, super easy to clean these out. There's only one lesson that I want to give you. Oh, look at the dirt, the dog hair. All right, so the one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to spray into it and drive the debris further into the filter. You want to spray from the outside and push the dirt out. Honestly, that's it. Look, it is all nice and clean. Close it up. Let's put it back in the machine, wrap this up. All right, back here in the sun. So all we got to do now that I've cleaned this out is take this, put it back in, close it up. I always rinse it off with fresh water before I put it away for the time. But yeah, this thing is great. If you're looking for a really good, kind of does everything, you know, kind of budget-friendly robot that has a lot of features, this is a really good option. There's a link right here on the screen or down in the description. Either one of them helps out the channel a little bit, doesn't cost you anything extra, so we can get more cool toys like this to show you. Remember to like and subscribe while you're down there. If you have any questions about it, throw it in the comment, or about the pool in general, put them in there. I'll do my best to answer them for you. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video. Welcome to the past. I'm sure you're curious what comes with this Pondee Atlas X5 Robo. I love that name. That Atlas X5 sounds super cool. A couple things you want to know. Comes with a rescue hook for when it comes to the side. You want to pull it out. Here is the power supply for charging it, and the obligatory instruction manual. Let's take a quick look at the Pondee itself. Let's go over some of the basics. We have a tread, right? We have the brush for scrubbing and a nice big suction port here. Speaking of that suction port, let's see what it sucks it into. Haven't opened it up yet. Here is, oh, that's actually a good size. That's a good size basket. You would know more than me. Did I fill this up with dirt? I don't know yet. I will say it is very light. I'm sitting here holding it. It's no big deal at all. You got one motor, power and settings, and here is the fuel port, which I'm gonna have to fill it up to go use it because this is the past. So I'm gonna say thank you for making it through to the past. If you're interested in this, I'm gonna remind you there is a link down there below. In the meantime, I'm gonna go use the fuel port, fill it up, and go see if it actually works in the pool. Hope this video is helpful. We'll see you in the next one.